Welcome to Auto Drive Official, your trusted source for the latest car reviews. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the all-new 2026 Toyota Fortuner, presented in a stunning brown color that redefines SUV sophistication. This latest model is not just an upgrade, it's a bold evolution of style, technology, and performance. Join us as we explore every detail of this beast, from its redesigned front bumper to its luxurious interior. Buckle up, because the 2026 Fortuner is ready to take on the road, and your heart. Let's begin with the aggressive new front look. Front bumper view. The front bumper of the 2026 Toyota Fortuner commands attention with its aggressive yet refined styling. The signature Toyota grille has been reshaped for a sharper, more aerodynamic profile, complemented by sleek matrix LED headlights and integrated DRLs. Chrome detailing adds a premium touch, while the bold bumper edges give it a muscular stance. Finished in a deep metallic brown, the Fortuner reflects light beautifully under showroom lights, emphasizing its strong body lines. The redesigned fog lamp housing and skid plate give the SUV a more rugged, off-road ready presence, perfect for adventure seekers who don't want to compromise on luxury. Back bumper view. Moving to the rear, the 2026 Fortuner's back bumper has undergone a modern transformation. The LED tail lamps now come with a dynamic lighting signature that makes a bold impression even from a distance. A chrome strip elegantly connects the lights, adding visual width and a sense of sophistication. The bumper integrates reflectors and rear parking sensors seamlessly, while the faux skid plate and dual-tone finish give it a sporty edge. Toyota's branding is centered prominently, while the spare tire is neatly tucked underneath. The brown paint pops under showroom lighting, making the rear view as impressive as the front. This SUV ensures that you leave a statement wherever you go, even when you drive away. Left side full view. From the side, the 2026 Fortuner is all about proportion and presence. The full left side view reveals its robust character, with clean body lines, flared wheel arches, and massive 19-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels. The brown finish contrasts beautifully with the chrome door handles, window lining, and silver roof rails. You'll notice the ground clearance is generous, giving the Fortuner that unmistakable SUV height advantage. Side steps are included for easy ingress, and the window design has been tweaked for a sleeker, more premium silhouette. The Fortuner's overall length and wheelbase ensure a commanding road presence. Whether cruising city streets or heading into the wild, the side profile alone tells you this is no ordinary SUV, it's Toyota's flagship for those who want it all. Right side doors open view. Now let's check out the Fortuner with all doors open on the right side. As the doors swing wide, you're immediately greeted by a premium interior draped in dual-tone leather upholstery, soft touch materials, and metallic trim accents. The seats are wide, ventilated, and electronically adjustable, while the door panels feature ambient lighting and real wood inserts. The third row access is spacious, and the middle row seats recline and slide for comfort. Toyota has clearly invested in passenger luxury. From the panoramic sunroof to the premium sound system, this is an interior built to impress. Even the door sills are illuminated, and the brushed aluminum pedals add a sporty touch. This open door view gives you a taste of the luxury that awaits inside this powerhouse. Interior dashboard view. Step inside, and the 2026 Fortuner's dashboard design instantly raises the bar. At the center is a brand new 13-inch touchscreen infotainment system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation. Behind the steering wheel, a fully digital instrument cluster gives you real-time vehicle stats in crisp clarity. The brown-themed dashboard matches the exterior, complete with soft leather wrapping and satin finish trims. The multi-function steering wheel is leather-wrapped, featuring paddle shifters, cruise control, and voice command buttons. Below the screen, you'll find climate control knobs, drive mode selectors, and a wireless charging pad. The gear knob feels solid and premium, while ambient lighting around the cabin adds to the upscale vibe. Every switch, every button has been carefully placed to enhance the driving experience. This is where rugged meets refined, Toyota style. Top view. Lastly, let's take a bird's-eye view of the 2026 Fortuner, focusing on the left top angle. From here, you can fully appreciate the aerodynamic design, the flowing rooflines, and the panoramic glass sunroof. The shark fin antenna and roof rails blend seamlessly into the SUV's design language. The deep brown paint adds depth and drama, while the sculpted hood and contoured rear spoiler give it a sporty finish. You can see how all design elements, from side mirrors to door contours, align to maximize efficiency and visual appeal. Whether seen from above or head-on, the 2026 Fortuner showcases Toyota's obsession with form and function. It's bold, elegant, and engineered to perfection. This view sums up everything the Fortuner is: powerful, stylish, and always ready for more.